Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture avatar on Duolingo. This will work on any mobile device and also PC. It's going to be the same type of thing as well. So what you're going to want to do, first of all, look to the bottom of the page, the middle icon there with a little woman. You want to click on that. That's going to bring up your profile, and you'll see the little circle with like a pencil on it. You don't want to click on the pencil. That's going to be where like your profile picture is going to be. And once you've clicked there, you can either take a picture right now, or you can choose a picture from like your gallery. And on PC, it should bring up like all your pictures from your hard drive, etc. Click on whatever like photo album you want, and then click on whichever profile picture you want to use. And then you can like size it in there, move up and down, like a smaller, etc. And then once that's done, click choose. And then once that's done, you'll see your profile picture has come up right there. You'll also see like the photogenic achievement. Then you can claim the reward for that. I'll give you some gems, etc. That's how you do it. Leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos on Duolingo and other apps like it. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.